everybody just dey chop bread and pure water. Oh, we go survive. That is the thing.
Timo.
My friend, how are you now?
Timo, my guy.
How are you?
I'm doing now. You know the job with it.
I just said make I just buy. I'll just go buy bread and pure water on chop. You know say this lockdown don too much now.
You know what I say?
Your eye dey this bread. I dey hungry. Just follow me chop. How family now?
My control.
How family now?
Family dey for one of them.
And how your wife? That your fine wife. How she
I dey suspect you, Timo.
Hey, yeah.
You don't respect yourself. I don't tell you.
How that your pikin wey you face dey like hey? Come chop bread now.
My control.
Chop bread, chop bread. If I no take money, chop.
Mama bonus. They say we come chop oh. Bonus. Ambulance. They say we chop bread. Our come opportunity.
I don't say we call your family now.
Man, I come chop.
Jesus. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
My pikin.
Timo.
Bless you, Oga.
Timo, my guy.
Bless you, Oga.
Maybe I go as well go carry go chop again. Timo,
Unless you see, only small bread am I yara. That one of the come go take care. Go carry na family come chop am. Only this small bread sef when I go even borrow the bread. Now you just come pack your family na come chop am. You just imagine. Wetin I wan come chop for this bread? Lockdown family. Only God na him go save una. Idiot. Don't na fire una.